Students, as you have been instructed by the teachers that online exams or online tests will be going to held in our school. For this you will be getting an online paper that is being sent via a link by the teachers. So here I am providing you with your tutorial section in which you can see how to access a online paper. In the tutorial I will tell you about the link that will be sent by your teachers. By clicking on that link, you can easily access the question paper, and you have to submit the question paper, and also you can see the scores that have been obtained by you at that time only. So children, it's my humble request from all of you that please go through this video very carefully, and each and every step you have to watch very carefully. That's why I am giving you with a demonstration of this online question paper also. All right, now start with the question paper. You can see here is a link. This kind of link will be sent by your teachers, by the subject teachers, that you have to click on at the time of test. Now let us see what will happen by clicking on this link. I'm clicking on this link. Now let's see what will happen. See, it's an online kind of question paper that has been opened. As you can see, the name of the school is coming on the top. As it is, I told you that it is just for your practice, so I have given it as a name as computer quiz. Now here some of the details that has to be filled by you people. Just see very carefully how I am doing this. Here you have to write your full name. That is, suppose I am doing right, Sundus Miraj. Alright, now class and section. By clicking here on class and section, you have to choose your class or section. Here I have written only class second ABCD, but at the time of the original question paper you will be getting your class, out of which you have to choose your class and section. Right now I am choosing here class second D. Alright, now after doing these two statements, after filling these two things, we have to go on the next option. There is a next button. Click on next button. After clicking on the next button, now the question paper will begin. Here you can see the heading is there to choose the correct answer. These are the questions. Here children, I have included only 2 questions in order to make you understand only.